Either on the ground ka or dito sa table. Better. Dili yan. Chest. Kaya nang kasing kasi yan. Okay? In review, let's follow the procedure sa adult infant. Ako rin sa bata na guardian. First, si baton, na emergency. Si baton ako, first principle. Size up. Si baton. Suot.
PPE.
PPE. Mask, gloves, goggles, gadgets pa kailangan sa rescue. Okay? Size up. Approach ko. Hindi, kung tayo. Ano man, safety, size up. Is it safe or not? Okay? Approach. Sa baton ako sunod. Sir, yung bata, may problema? Mayroon problema siya, nag-away mo. Kasi may problema, kasi nagluod na siya, no? Problema. Hindi magaling yung bata. Sir, Bail Valios, Red Cross, 20% na Pilipong tabak. Okay, not like report, no? Express, kaya ano. Not naman, but usually, kung wala istorya, that's implied. So, pwede bata ng bata? Okay, correct. Check niyo yung bata. Naka-PPA, nakapanangin, and all those things. Baby, are you okay? Baby. Usually, sensitive part is the focus. So, baby, are you okay? No response sa baby. So, bato lang ako. No response. Pailan ako, no response. Just like kaniya. No response sa bato. On call. Sir, hindi ka manood, 911. Kaya para na ipuhatod ang papa o mama. 911. Kung ikaw kayo manood, wala na. Ang oras, sayang. Sir, isuon, tawag-tawag. While natawag sila, manage sila yung tawag-tawag. Okay? Check responsiveness. Call. No response sa bata. Sa bata na to. Okay? Since I sa na, we're doing the primary assessment, airway, breathing, circulation. Sige, ba't na niya?
Lip chin.
Tatawa? Bakbaw, ilong. Check airway. Naibaba, nailong. Check. Ay para wala. Na, use your little finger. Okay? Open the mouth, then anggal. Kung makita, kung kulay para, ayun na pakita. Ay para. So, what is visible, remove it directly. Next, airway ko siya. Open airway. Or kaya po ganyan. 2 fingers, chin, tilt the head. For adult, maximum tilt. Angat tayo, maximum. Child, neutral plus. Say neutral plus siya. Inib lang corner sa mouth. Muad to dito sa air nose, mag-level na siya, magka-ruler na, or line, vertical line, that is neutral plus. Okay? Infant, neutral. Still the same procedure, neutral. Corner of the mouth, corner, align sa hole. Okay? Pag-align na nila ang hole o ang corner that is neutral. Dili na kayo siya tilt kay mo. If you hyperextend that one, it close the airway. So, maximum tilt, neutral plus, neutral position, open the airway. Okay? So, ano na rin siya, sir? Okay. Ano? Dili kayo extended kayo. Ano? That is opening airway. Matusod sa rescuer. Yung budaw. Bilang na seconds mag-check?
10
seconds. But definitely karon combination na. I'll check the breathing and the pulse. Pulse for infant is ini. Dili, wala diri.
Okay.
May ka nag-liyo ng bata. Dili ang nila. This is what we call brachial pulse. Brachial pulse.
Radial.
Okay? Still the same procedure. Pila ka seconds pag-check?
10 seconds.
Okay, kamay mag-count.
1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
No pulse, no breathing.
CPR.
Position your fingers.
Okay.
Okay. So, hindi pamayo ang diretso lang. Okay. Align 2 fingers. Support. Okay. Ang mo, tapos sa ulos bata, elbows on the table. Okay? CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1.
1.
Okay? Pwede mo diretso or support ko sa buwan. Pero kung anong nakaya mo, diretso din. Okay. Ano lang. Mouth and nose. Api ng ilong. Kamay mo lang bagbag o ilong ang bata. So, mouth and nose.
Adog.
That is per cycle. Going per second. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2. Going for third. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going for fourth. 1, 2, 3. Going for fifth. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. Then,
Progress.
okay. That is 30 compressions, 2 breaths, repeated for 5 cycles.
Cycles.
That is CPR 45. Okay? So, wato na ako sunod. Ano ang CPR?
Check pulse and breath. 10.
Perfect. Okay? Dirig ako.
Yeah.
Dirig. Nag-cross na ka. Ay, nag-cross. Dirig sa mong side. Asa na party nga yung buti, wala na siya kaya. Kung na kayo partner, tigas, iya po ito. Kaya na may mga 2 man, 1 man. So 1 man naman ka, diri rin yung mga side.
1 man, 2 man.
1, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Still, no pulse, no breathing. Sipa ko na.
Continue.
Continue CPR. Wala na mo? 30 is to 5 cycles. Question. Sa kalaw.
2 inch.
1.5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Centimeter.
4 cm.
4 centimeter. Okay? Or 1.5. Okay.
5 cm.
If your patient na pulso, walay ginawa. Siya na.
Rescue breathing.
How many breaths ka rin?
40.
So, may breaths sa karon. Adult, 24. Child, infant, 40. Ha? 1,001. 1,002. 1,003. 1,004. 1,005. 1,006. 1,007. 1,008. 1,009. 1,010. 1,011. Until 1,040. If you time this one, 2 minutes lang. Sa akong demo, shortcut, we will waste time. Pero kung ako naman demo, full 40 breaths, full 24 breaths. No? For you to practice. Kaya I will be wasting my time kung ako ito ang madayon. Gets nyo? Kuha ninyo? Okay. Now, magkagas yung breath, again, check for breathing and circulation. 1, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. Your patient has pulse and breathing recovery position. Yung sa'yo na doon, pagilid, no? Kung adult,
Yes.
child, pagilid niya po na. Child. Pero kung bata, hilig na ipatagilid. Okay? All you have to do is lift the shoulder, insert your hand at the back, insert your hand, other hand in the buttocks, in plaster. This is perfect position for recovering after mobility. Okay? DOTS or deformities, open injuries, more ma-check niyo sa bata. You cannot ask the sample history. Na iyang papa, kumata na siya. Ako sa'yo ibati ani, sir, ibati ani. Kung sa'yo allergy ani, si tambal ani. Kung sa'yo nasikaw ani. sa ibuat tas ani. Sample is dito, sir. Ang inuha ni is bata. Check. 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 Okay, okay. Check. 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 Okay. Check vitals after. Okay. Sir, ma'am, ano ang bilan sa nanaw pa?